Hi, in this video I'm going to cover off on tools of trade and things that you have to buy that you use for your work purposes. So anybody in the building construction industry buys a lot of tools, let's face it, and some of those tools will be more than $300. So as an individual taxpayer, if you buy something that is more than $300 and will last for more than 12 months, you have to write that cost off over a number of years and not just in the year that you purchased that tool or equipment. The reason that the tax office say that is you're using that over a number of years, so you get to claim it over a number of years. And it's important to remember that if you buy something that is part of a set, that whole set has to be looked at in its cost. So if you buy a battery tool, let's say I don't know, a circular saw, I don't know if they're battery, but anyway, let's go circular saw, a drill, and an impact grinder or something, and it needs a battery. And if each one of those tools was less than $300, but then you bought a battery pack that was $400, that battery pack would have to be added to the cost of the tools, and so therefore it would go over the $300. So that's really important that you remember that anything that is part of a set or part of a pack is added together to work out if it's over the $300. So if your tools are less than $300, so if you buy a hammer and it's $99 or a level and it's, I don't know, $150, they can be claimed when you've purchased them because they are less than $300. So when you get your tax done, you're going to need to come to us with a list of tools that are under $300 or a total, and then we will need the list of tools that is above $300 or part of a set that is more than $300. So we need to know the amount for each item that you purchased and the date that you purchased it. And that's because in the year that you buy that tool, you don't get the full year's claim. You only get a claim for the number of days that you owned the tool. And of course, if you use those tools privately, so if you're renovating your home at the same time, we have to prorata the use of those tools to the business use of them. So it's really important that when you come to get your tax done, you don't come with, this is how much I spent on tools. We need a total for the tools that are under $300 and a list of each tool, how much it was, and the date you bought it for those tools that are more than $300. So if you have any other questions around your tools of trade or any assets that you buy, it doesn't have to be tools of trade, any assets that you buy that are more than $300, reach out to us and we'll be happy to have a chat with you. Jump in and watch some of our other videos that we have on work-related deductions, and it'll make getting your tax done this year much easier. Okay, that's it for this video, and I'll catch you in one of the other videos. Bye for now.